Tesla stock is retreating from its highest price since the 27th of May 2025. As of the 27th of May, it printed the highs of around 36. Let's see now, closed at 362 or thereabout. This intraday high here printed on the 27th, exactly 3 months ago. Exactly 3 months ago, this intraday high, as you can see, is 355.39. As a matter of fact, the stock is consolidating, has just been consolidating with a bias to the upside. This consolidation has been in place, I would say, since the 11th of June or thereabouts. But it is with a bias to the upside, and the extrapolation is saying that high prices will also continue to print out, but it's not going to be a buy. It's not going to be a consolidation. It's just going to be more of a modestly. A modest push to the upside. And maybe attempting to retest. I would say this will make it if it does print out this if it prints this out, then we are looking at 385.72 by the 9th of October. That will be its highest price since February. Yeah, so that'll be its highest price since I would say, yeah, since February. Yeah, since February. Okay, no, that will be size price since February. Yeah, if not even the whole of this year. No, not it won't be the highest price the whole of this year. It will be an attempt to retest the highs of this year. Okay. So in terms of projections, what do we have? We have 365.76, 385.30, 397.38. All of these are behind this intraday high of 355.39. So if you include this 355.39, then you also have 365.76, 385.30, 397.38. These are currently in play as of the close of yesterday, but there might even be higher projections. Let's see now. Yeah, as of the 8th of August, we had 373.1, 405.3, 1452, 425.22. So even higher projections. The algos have just they are moderating their expectations. It seems, even in the light of the right of possible upper projections. Yeah. Okay. So as things stand right now, the because of this retreat from this intraday high, the 10-day moving average is currently maintaining its trend for a possible bounce. Yeah, maintaining its trend. And the problem is, at this sort of stage, you don't exactly know if it's going to retreat further or it's going to bounce. The algos are saying that by Tuesday, it's going to cool off. The weakness will continue up to Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, it's going to resume the trend. Maybe that's what this may decay further and convince deep buyers to jump in. There are certain pundits out there who say buy any dip on Tesla, buy any dip on Tesla. So yesterday it lost 3.55%. Yesterday the 29th it lost 3.55%. The 21-day moving average is maintaining its trend. It's in trend mode regardless of the lack of trend on the 10-day moving average. The 21 day is still holding some of its momentum. So in terms of probabilities, let's see what we can make out from this. Let's have a look at prices we can actually pick up. Let's see. Probability of it printing 360 will be, let me see. Probability of it printing 360 or 358 looks yeah, highly likely. It looks highly likely statistically. It looks highly likely. This is the way I determined it. Is this pain here? They hold the moving averages. So if the moving average is greater than the target you have in mind, then you know that you have a probability that is 50% or higher that that target will be printed. That's just a statistical estimation. There's no guarantee that that will happen at all. Yeah, no guarantee that that will happen at all. So let's see what this readout is saying.
Tesla TSLA is trending as traders weigh potential corrections and digest recent developments that highlight growing challenges for the EV leader. Market conversations are centered on consumer sentiment, heightened competition, and broader macroeconomic trends, with bulls and bears locked in debate over valuation and future prospects. Fresh data from the European Automobile Manufacturers Association, ACEA, revealed a 40% drop in Tesla's European sales in July, down to 8,837 units. This marked the seventh consecutive monthly decline for the automaker, even as the overall EV market continued to expand. In stark contrast, Chinese rival BYD reported a 225% year over year surge in registrations, hitting 13,503 units as it aggressively pushes affordable models into the European market. This divergence underscores the competitive pressures Tesla faces as rivals scale rapidly with more cost effective offerings. Adding to the mix are concerns around Tesla's brand perception. CEO Elon Musk remains a polarizing figure whose actions and public statements continue to influence sentiment toward the company, both positively and negatively. Investors also note Tesla's lack of major model refreshes in recent years, which could be contributing to waning demand in key regions. Looking ahead, Tesla plans to begin volume production of a new, more affordable EV in the second half of 2025, a move many see as critical to reviving growth and reasserting its dominance in the mass market segment. Until then, traders are closely monitoring near term support levels, short term volatility, and macroeconomic factors such as interest rates and consumer spending trends that could sway demand for big ticket purchases like EVs. Overall, sentiment around Tesla remains mixed. Bulls point to Tesla's strong technology moat, energy business, and long term vision, while bears emphasize mounting competition, declining market share in Europe, and the risk that demand may lag until the next wave of new models arrives.
Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.